So how am I going to teach you how to paint over a video? Well, in the video I actually have step-by-step instructions, and I will actually put up a little clock that'll spin, and that's your signal to pause and paint. But keep in mind, you can actually pause and paint anytime that you're ready. So it's really kind of up to you. I'm just adding in those cues. The other thing I'd really encourage you to do is to pause and step back, look at your progress, take a moment, and really look how far you've come. I also encourage you to pause, take a break, so that you can allow the paint to dry and just really enjoy what you're doing. The next thing that we're going to actually cover is how to actually draw this thing out. Now, I know there are some people that really don't want to draw. So for you, if you don't want to draw, I actually have in my curriculum a 50% off coupon where you can purchase the canvas from me already pre-drawn. So that's up to you. If you want to get drawing, let's go ahead and go to the next step.